Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Final Cut Pro transition timing for smoother pacing, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Import the video clips you want to edit. Drag your selected clips onto the timeline. Select the first clip in your timeline. Navigate to the Transitions browser in the top right corner. Choose a transition you like from the available options. Drag and drop the transition between the two clips on the timeline. To fine-tune the timing of the transition, click on it. In the inspector window, look for the duration setting. Adjust the duration to your desired length for smoother pacing.
You can set it longer for a gradual transition or shorter for a quick change.
To preview your transition, press the spacebar to play the timeline.
Observe how the clips blend together during the transition.
If it needs more adjustment, select the transition again. Repeat the process until you achieve the desired effect. Once satisfied, move on to the next transition if necessary. Continue to edit and adjust the transitions for all clips in your timeline. Finally, save your project to preserve your changes.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.